A diamond is priceless, not because of its shine, but because it signifies precision and versatility. No one understands this better than us. We are Anchor Mark. Quality that excels in global markets. Anchor Mark was established in 1980 under the leadership of Mr. Gregory D'Souza, with the objective of manufacturing and marketing machinery for the pharmaceutical, food, beverage, and cosmetic industry. While the company initially started with the manufacture of manual and semi-automatic capsule filling machines, it has now grown into a full-fledged manufacturing setup with production lines at 2 different locations in the metropolis of Mumbai. Anchor Mark today has complete infrastructure to produce machinery that are energy efficient and reliable, with high performance levels, conforming to CGMP norms and various regulatory requirements. The company offers a host of machines such as automatic and semi-automatic encapsulation lines, automatic liquid filling and sealing lines, automatic dry powder filling and sealing lines, granulation lines, automatic tablet coating systems, complete set of R&D machines for encapsulation, liquid, dry powder, granulation and coating. With advanced and innovative features designed and customized to the needs of customers. Anchor Mark's comprehensive range of equipment caters today to reputed names in the pharmaceutical industry across the globe. The entire manufacturing process is MRP driven, with controls at every stage, ensuring proper integration and monitoring of all procedures and systems within the organization. There is no compromise on any aspect of quality or service linked to the final product. It is this dedication that has earned Anchor Mark the Best Performer of the Year 2016 and 2017 by Abbott India, the ISO certification and the MSE3 rating by CRISIL. Anchor Mark as a team is committed to provide products and services of international standards by achieving high levels of performance and reliability in the areas of design and development, by creating highly reliable designs as per customer specifications and needs, manufacturing by using the latest techniques and practices along with sophisticated CNC machines to achieve a higher degree of accuracy, precision and quality. Quality control by keeping strict quality checks of all input material and components. Inventory management through systematic inventory control and flow of material, completely managed through an ERP system. Fabrication and assembly for each machine done by skilled personnel. Trials and testing to ensure that every machine manufactured goes through rigorous testing by our QA team, specially trained for the same. Besides installations in most of the leading pharmaceutical companies in India, Anchor Mark has installations across the globe as well. The company has 500 plus customers spread over 45 countries in 6 continents. Anchor Mark Private Limited is built on strong core values like being open to ideas from every employee, customer or vendor, being competitive with cost-effective products, yet advanced by embracing the latest technology, seizing opportunity in every change, and maximizing performance and maintaining consistently high levels of achievement. Anchor Mark, delivering excellence for over 3.5 decades through quality, service, trust, and innovation.